Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my natural hand and nail care routine and what steps I'm doing to finally keep my nails strong and be able to grow them longer. First, I avoid using harsh soaps that can dry my hands out. Instead, I prefer light, gentle products, usually the same cleansers I use for my face, like cleansing gels or oils. Those products effectively clean my hands without stripping them of natural oils, which is key for maintaining soft, hydrated skin. Once a week or every second week, I use a pumice stone to keep the skin around my nails smooth and soft. This simple trick helps prevent dry, cracked skin and keeps my fingertips looking and feeling great. It's perfect for anyone who wants to maintain neat cuticles without too much effort. After exfoliating, I like to apply oil on my hands and nails. It's usually a mix of castor and jojoba oil with a few drops of essential oil and vitamin E. This combo is perfect to smooth dry skin, prevent flakiness, improve skin elasticity, and grow strong and long nails. To seal in the moisture, I follow up with a moisturizer. I do this routine just before bedtime, and my hands feel so soft in the morning. Now let's talk about why I avoid nail polish. Many nail polishes contain chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and phthalate, which can be absorbed through the nail bed and potentially affect your health. Studies suggest that some of those chemicals might disrupt hormones or cause allergic reactions. So, if you love nail polish, look for brands labeled 5-free or 10-free, which means they don't contain the most harmful chemicals. And don't forget about nail polish remover. Acetone is quite harsh and can weaken your nails over time. Choose non-acetone removers with natural ingredients when possible. Personally, I throw away my old nail polishes and bought a few colors of these less harmful and safer nail polishes, but even though in the last 3 years I used them maybe a few times. I'm too lazy for that, and to be honest, I prefer to keep my nails natural. Instead of polish, I love using nail buffer to give my nails a natural shine. I have a few of them. The electric one is useful but not necessary to make your nails smooth and shiny. Also, I use a paper nail file to smooth the edges. In the past, I used the metal ones, but they made my nails split. Glass files didn't work for me either, but of course find what works for your nails. Another tip I have is to make your nightly skincare routine work double duty. After applying serums, oils, or creams to your face and neck, rub the leftovers into your hands and nails. It's a quick, easy way to nourish them without using extra products and spend more money. If you feel like your hands are too greasy, just use the towel or tissue to remove excess products from the inside of your hands. Since I've stopped using nail polish and started following the simple routine, my nails have become so strong. They used to be weak, splitting constantly, but now I can grow them long. The only time I lose them is when I'm gardening or accidentally cutting them while shaving. Sounds crazy, but it's true. So that's my full hands and nail care routine, simple, natural and effective. If you've been struggling with weak nails, give those tips a try and let me know how they work for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more beauty content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!